Today, we're diving into a small yet crucial component of your vehicle, the thermostat. It may be tiny, but trust me, it plays a huge role in keeping your engine running smoothly. If it starts failing, your car might be headed for some costly repairs. The thermostat is basically a small valve that regulates the engine's temperature by controlling coolant flow. When your engine is cold, the thermostat stays closed, helping the engine warm up. Once it reaches the optimal temperature, the thermostat opens up, letting coolant flow through the radiator to keep things cool. Thermostats come in two main types: the old-school spring-loaded mechanical ones and modern electric thermostats controlled by the engine's computer. Regardless of the type, when your thermostat fails, it's a huge safety concern. A faulty thermostat can lead to overheating, coolant leaks, and even engine failure if left unchecked. So how can you tell if your thermostat is on its way out? Here are the key warning signs. Number 1. Overheating or overcooling. If your engine overheats, it could mean the thermostat is stuck in the closed position. That prevents coolant from reaching the radiator, which leads to a dangerously hot engine. On the flip side, if the thermostat is stuck open, the engine might stay too cold. This is called overcooling. And while it might not seem like a big deal, overcooling reduces your engine's efficiency and shortens its lifespan. Keep an eye on your dashboard temperature gauge. If the temperature needle is acting erratic or stuck at either extreme, your thermostat might be the culprit. Number 2. Coolant leaks. If you notice liquid dripping under your car, it's likely a coolant leak. Now, the thermostat itself doesn't hold coolant, but the gasket or housing around it might fail. Check for signs like drops, drip marks, or crusty deposits around the thermostat housing. Number 3. Strange sounds. A failing thermostat can cause odd noises like rumbling, boiling, or knocking. These sounds come from your cooling system struggling to regulate the engine's temperature. Number 4. Temperature changes. If the air coming from your vents keeps switching between hot and cold, especially if it's erratic, your thermostat might not be doing its job properly. Number 5. Heater problems. In the winter, a stuck-open thermostat means your engine won't heat up properly, and your heater will blow cold air no matter how high you crank it. Not fun when it's freezing outside. If you notice any of these signs, don't wait. Replace your thermostat right away. It's one of the cheapest parts to replace, but one of the most important for your engine's health. So there you have it, the key signs of a failing thermostat and why it's so important to catch these issues early. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future car care tips. Stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.